up, YouTube? This is Mike back with another video. Today's video is a full interior detail on this Z71 lifted truck. It's real dirty inside. It's gonna need a deep interior detail. This side, the back, just filthy. Seats on a little scrubbing. Doors. Excuse me. The jams. Clean carpet, shampoo the carpet, scrub and extract. I'm using the old school extractor. Water's heating up. It's been vacuumed. Dirty, this little dirt right here. I'm gonna clean this little area up right here. Usually on this stuff, I spray a little all-purpose cleaner down. Try and just get that clean. So for that, what I use on that, I'll use a little brush to knock that down. Let's see what we got here. Actually, I'll use the rim bucket, little tire brush to have that. It's pretty clean, it's not dirty, so. Clean the pedals up a little bit. When I always do the driver's side floorboard, I always clean the pedals while I'm at it. Do a quick wipe down. I'll go back over and wipe it down once I get this floor shampooed. For now, let's get everything that I get with this little wipe. Quick little job. All right. So let's go ahead and put some carpet cleaner on there. I have that. So what I'm gonna use that is I'm gonna use a citrus foam and my little drill brush. So I already got my citrus all-purpose cleaner. I'll spray that down there. The next thing I do is spray my citrus foam. Alright, now what I'm going to do next is go ahead and use the drill brush. A little more foam down. Actually, I'm gonna use a little bit of super clean. Always go with the least aggressive chemical first and see what it does, and I'll go back with the usually ended up super clean diluted 4:1. All right, let that sit for a second. And usually for the brush, for the pedals, I just heard kind of. So I do this for, I always want to make sure, like I said, to get the pedals clean, because the mud don't drip back on the pedal. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and extract what I can out of it. Go low and slow, let it suck the water up. off. All driver side's done. Still the dash. Alright guys, so I got this whole cockpit detailed, the steering wheel, the dash. I got some, hold on, let me blow this off. I got some, you can tell the big difference in it. Everything nice and clean. I haven't did the jams yet, I'll do the jams next. It's got the inside, the carpet extracted, the best it can be cleaned. This is a 2017, it's been worked in this truck, so the carpet, the dash, steering wheel cleaned, center console nice and clean. It's looking good. Sorry. Alright guys, that's today's video. A little interior clean. You know how I do it. So remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll be back for another video. Peace.